Hello everyone, it's Lucas from Altus. Today, we are going to learn how to create a project on MasterTool for the Nexto Xpress series. So, after downloading, having installed and opened MasterTool, we will be redirected to this main page, where we can create the new project we are going to make. Click on New Project. We are going to name this project as MasterTool Tutorial, already pointing to a folder where we are going to save this project. Then, select Default MasterTool Project and press OK. The device we want for this project is an XP340. Click Next. Click Next again. Click Next one more time. And finally, click on Finish. Guys, our project is being created, and, when we manage to move the controller, that is here in our Configuration XP page, it means that our project is already completely created and is ready to receive edits. So, this was our second lesson for Nexto Xpress series. Don't forget to follow Altus channels on Facebook and YouTube. Thanks everyone, see you next time.